Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah. Today, I want to tell you a story about my hobbies. Hobbies are the activities that we enjoy in our free time. They are not work, not school, and not homework. Hobbies are the things we do because they make us happy, relaxed, and creative. Everyone has hobbies. Some people like reading books. Some people like drawing, painting, or writing. Some people like playing sports or listening to music. Hobbies are very important because they make life more enjoyable and they help us learn new things. I have many hobbies. My first and favorite hobby is reading books. I love reading books because they help me imagine new places and new people. I like reading simple stories, short novels, fairy tales, and adventure books. When I read, I feel like I am in the story. For example, if I read a story about a magical forest, I imagine the trees, animals, and rivers in my mind. Reading is not only fun, but it also helps me learn new words in English. Sometimes I read in the morning, but mostly I read in the evening after finishing my homework. I sit in a quiet place near a window with soft sunlight. Reading makes me calm and happy. I also like to read magazines sometimes, especially magazines about nature or science. Another hobby I enjoy is drawing and painting. I like to draw many things like flowers, trees, mountains, animals, and houses. I also sometimes draw characters from my favorite stories. I use colored pencils, markers, crayons, and sometimes watercolors. Drawing makes me feel creative. I can express my feelings through colors and shapes. When I am happy, I draw bright and colorful pictures. When I am a little sad or tired, drawing helps me feel better. My family likes my drawings, and they sometimes hang my pictures on the wall. Drawing is not only fun, but it also helps me focus and be patient because creating a good picture takes time and effort. I also love listening to music. Music is very important in my life. I listen to music almost every day. Sometimes I listen to soft, slow music when I want to relax. Sometimes I listen to happy, fast songs when I feel energetic. Music helps me feel calm, happy, and motivated. I listen to music when I am studying, cleaning my room, or walking in the park. My favorite songs are about friendship, happiness, and nature. Music is like a friend. It always makes me feel better when I am tired or sad. Watching movies is another hobby I enjoy. I like watching movies, cartoons, and short videos. Movies are fun because they tell stories and show pictures of new places and people. I learn new things from movies. For example, I can learn about different countries, cultures, and animals. I like watching movies with my family. Sometimes we watch movies in the evening. We sit together, eat snacks, and enjoy the story. Watching movies is also a good way to spend time together as a family. Another hobby I love is playing sports. My favorite sport is badminton. I play badminton with my friends in the park near my house. The park has green grass and many trees. We play in the morning or evening when the weather is cool. Playing badminton makes me strong, healthy, and active. I also like running and sometimes playing football or hide and seek with my friends. Sports are fun because we can laugh, compete, and enjoy the fresh air. Playing sports also teaches me teamwork, patience, and how to be active every day. I also enjoy gardening. At home, we have a small garden with flowers, plants, and vegetables. Gardening is very peaceful. I water the plants every morning or evening. I remove dry leaves and take care of the soil. I enjoy seeing the plants grow slowly and bloom. Gardening teaches me patience because plants need time to grow. It also teaches me responsibility because I need to take care of living things. When a flower blooms, I feel proud and happy. Gardening is also a way to connect with nature. I can see birds, butterflies, and bees visiting the flowers, and it makes me feel calm and relaxed. Sometimes I like writing in my diary. In my diary, I write about my day, my feelings, and interesting things I see. Writing helps me remember important moments in my life. I also write short stories, poems, and notes about my hobbies. Writing is a way to express myself. When I read old diary entries, I smile and remember happy moments. Writing is a hobby that helps me improve my English and my thinking skills. Another hobby I enjoy is walking and exploring nature. I like taking small walks near my home, in the park, or in quiet streets. Walking helps me think and feel relaxed. I watch birds, butterflies, flowers, and trees. Sometimes I take photos of beautiful things I see. Nature is amazing, and exploring it makes me feel happy and free. Walking is also good exercise. It makes my body healthy and my mind calm. I also have a small hobby of learning new things online. Sometimes I watch videos or read about interesting topics like animals, science, or history. Learning new things is fun, and it helps me understand the world better. I like to try small experiments or activities at home. Learning is a hobby that never ends. There is always something new to discover. Hobbies are very important in life. They make us happy, calm, and healthy. Hobbies help us learn new skills, improve creativity, and spend time in a fun way. They reduce stress and make life enjoyable. Everyone should have at least one hobby, and it is better to have more hobbies because life becomes colorful and exciting. My hobbies, like reading, drawing, listening to music, watching movies, playing sports, gardening, writing, walking, and learning new things, make my life full of joy and learning. I want to continue my hobbies and also try new hobbies in the future. Hobbies are not just activities. They are a way to enjoy life and become a better, happier person. Thank you for listening to my story about my hobbies. I hope you also have hobbies that make you happy, relaxed, and excited. Hobbies make life wonderful, and we should enjoy them every day.